Do you think our skin loves water? Big takeaway from our Whale Aging skincare course was the absolute importance of hello Anya, welcome to One Eye on Korean Beauty. I'm your dry skin friend in the 40s based in the UK and now a certified Whale Aging skincare coach. Back in summer, I've completed an intensive one-to-one anti-aging skincare course in Korea. This course has completely transformed how I think about skincare for mature skin, and today I'll be sharing top 5 lessons I learned. Towards the end of the show, I'll be sharing a bonus tip number 6, so make sure you stay with me from start to finish. Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. Today's show is kindly partly sponsored by Korami, a Europe-based K-beauty online store that ships directly from South Korea. What I love about Korami is the sheer variety. They have everything from big-name bestsellers to rare gems I couldn't even find while I was in Korea. Check out this vast range of Korean skincare products. Not only that, you'll also find a wide range of body and hair care products, including the latest launch like the VT Redo Shot Hair Ampule. The site is easy to navigate with curated categories like best offers where you'll spot some of the best deals around. They offer free shipping on orders over 50 euros, and my order took about 10 days from start of the order until it arrived. All very smooth with clear email updates to track everything. And even though my products arrived in separate parcels, they all arrived around the same time, carefully packaged, 100% authentic with long expiration dates. Korami ships all over Europe, including the UK, and they're kindly offering 10% discount using my code OEB10 to my special audience. So go and check out their shop. I'll leave all their details, the shopping link, discount code, and their Instagram account details where you can go and ask questions or even request for the products that hasn't been listed yet. Make sure you check out all the details in the pinned comment below. Now let's dive into the top 5 lessons I learned from my Whale Aging skincare course. Lesson number 1, moisture oil balance care. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you think our skin loves water? Water sounds like an ultimate skin hydrator, right? It's essential to keep our skin plump, elastic and clean, obviously. But did you know that even water can be irritating on our skin? Have you noticed your skin turning all wrinkly after a long bath? That's a sign that our skin barrier isn't happy. So over cleansing is a big no. And what about oil? All that grease we try so hard to remove from our face, is that actually bad for us? No, oil is good. It is there to protect our skin barrier and prevent water loss. The secret is balance between moisture and oil. That balance is the foundation of useful and resilient skin. So, what do we do to keep the moisture and oil balance? Good skincare starts from the very first step, cleansing. So for mature skin, make sure you use a gentle cleanser with a pH level around 4.5 to 5.5, low acidic, and do not over cleanse. I would say stick to around 30 seconds to 1 minute per double cleansing step. After cleansing, layer humectants like hyaluronic acid, panthenol, or urea. Speaking of humectants, one of my favorite finds from Korami is this essence from Astra, Activeria 365 Hydro Essence. You know, I absolutely love the brand Astra. As we age, our skin naturally produces less sebum, making dryness one of the most common concerns in mature skin. That's why I highly recommend this essence as a daily hydration step. It's a rich, milky essence with a short but powerful ingredient list, glycerin and urea for hydration, squalane for barrier support, and tocopherol vitamin E for antioxidant care. On dry, mature skin like mine, it feels incredibly nourishing and soothing. Once hydration is sorted, then you can start layering functional actives like vitamin C for antioxidant and skin brightening care, retinol at night for cell turnover and anti-aging care, glutathione for brightening, and peptides to support collagen and elastin production. And remember, always lock in everything with a moisturizer. Come on guys, you've got to finish it off with a moisturizer. Skipping moisturizer is like locking in all your valuables at home and leaving the front door wide open. It's essential in your day and night routine. I've been really enjoying the Centellian 24 Magica creams. You might remember this red tan reverse one from my previous show. Centellian 24 is a derm cosmetics brand owned by Donggukjeya. This is like a national Korean pharmaceutical brand famous for Sika infused creams and ointments. The purple tight lifting version over here is the one I could not find anywhere, even in Korea, but I found it at Korami. This is lightweight but still nourishing with Tika, which is 4 centella actives, including the most effective metacasoside. This will suit to mature skin that leans towards combo and oily, while the red time reverse version is richer, perfect if your skin leans drier like mine. And the best part about these medical creams? Their price! You've got to check out their prices on Korami. Such great value for such well-infused creams. If your skin feels still dry even after a moisturizer, that usually means that it's lacking oil. In that case, use a face oil after moisturizer or add a sleeping mask for that extra overnight nourishment. I've written an article on this, skin still dry after a moisturizer, so if you're interested, go and check out that article. I'll leave its link in the pinned comment below. And I'll do a video on full routine suggestions soon, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that as well. Lesson number 2, antioxidant care is a must. Another big takeaway from a while aging skincare course was the absolute importance of antioxidants. Because when our skin oxidizes, that's when it speeds up aging. Think of it like with a banana. When our skin is young, it's nice and fresh, all yellow, and then it's slowly turning black. None of us want to turn into a rotten banana, do we? So, how do we prevent that? Add a powerful antioxidant into your routine. Some of the best include vitamin C, retinol, vitamin E like tocopherol, and vitamin B3, niacinamide. My top suggestion is vitamin C. This is one of the strongest antioxidants. After giving birth to my 2 sons, my skin was like this, covered with melasma. This was my skin before discovering vitamin C. Vitamin C has really helped brighten my skin tone, fight hyperpigmentation and melasma, and improve overall skin health. One of the most famous vitamin C serums in the market is this one over here from SkinCeuticals, CE Ferulic Serum. Dermatologists swear by this serum, and there is a good reason for that, because it's infused with 15% pure vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid, a powerhouse trio that works synergistically. But that one is expensive, so I recommend the budget version over here from Korami, Derma Factory Pure Vitamin C, Ferulic and Pure. This is a great dupe of that serum because this is also infused with 15% pure vitamin C, vitamin E, and 1% ferulic acid. It comes well preserved in a well kept packaging, a lightweight watery serum that absorbs instantly. It's much more affordable and authentic alternative that still delivers real results. If you're new to vitamin C, don't start with high concentration vitamin C serums like this one. Start with a gentler vitamin C derivatives or a serum with lower concentration of pure vitamin C. I explained this much more in detail in my previous vitamin C show featuring some of the best budget Korean vitamin C serums, so go and check that one out if you're interested. Lesson number 3, use skin regenerating ingredients. As you age, our skin naturally produces less collagen and elastin. This is why it is absolutely essential for mature skin to be using ingredients that help to stimulate skin regeneration by signaling our skin to produce more of these proteins. Which ingredients help to do this? Peptides, EGF, collagen, centella asiatica, and PDRN. I finally got my hands on this Janawell 3% PDRN and Pure. I've done a show previously showcasing the entire PDRN line from Janawell, but I found it hard to get my hands on this one, so I couldn't review this one in the previous show, and thankfully I found this at Korami. It's a lightweight serum packed with effective formula, 3% PDRN, niacinamide, allantoin, centella, and peptides. And it has relatively short ingredients list, making it great for sensitive skin as well as mature skin. Another great gem I found from Korami is this one over here from Centellian 24, again 360-degree shot PDRN active serum. This is also infused with peptides, and I've been looking for this everywhere in Korea and couldn't find it, but I found it at Korami. This is another lightweight serum but with a slightly sticky texture that combines PDRN, peptides and hydrolyzed collagen. It helps to keep the skin firm and bouncy. Seriously, I'm so glad I found this rare item from Korami that was hard to find in any other global shops, even in Korea. My dry, mature skin has been loving it. Lesson number 4, SPF is a must. No matter how perfect your skincare routine is, if you don't use sun protection, it's all wasted. It's basically like walking into a mud field with a Chanel bag and expensive rings. You know, you're bound to destroy all of them, right? UV rays are the biggest thief of youth. I think one of the reasons why Koreans tend to look younger for longer relatively is because they take sun care seriously since young age, like teens and early 20s. So for mature skin, daily sunscreen is non-negotiable. At Korami, you'll find a huge range of sun care products. Just look at this. The options are endless and I'm sure you'll find exactly what you're looking for because they have a vast range of K-beauty products including rare finds. Lesson number 5, exfoliation is essential. One of my biggest light bulb moments from this course was learning how crucial exfoliation is for mature skin. Basically, our skin follows about a 28-day cell turnover cycle, meaning during that cycle, it naturally sheds old cells and brings in new ones. When we are young, there is no issue with this, but as we age, that cycle slows down, meaning the dead skin cells will linger on for longer. This is why gentle exfoliation is a must for mature skin. I recommend AHAs like lactic or glycolic acids rather than like stronger acids like BHA, which is salicylic acid, and even better ones are enzymes, which are super gentle, making it perfect for mature skin. I'll share how to exfoliate in my upcoming routine video, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you know when it first lands. Lesson number 6, massage and lifting care. This is my bonus tip, all about stimulating your circulation to give that firmer, lifted look. You don't need to learn that professional skill. I think it'll be enough for most of you to learn a very basic face lifting massage technique, which I'll be sharing through shorts video later on. If you think you're too busy or just can't be bothered to do a hand face massage, then you can go for gua sha that comes with simple instructions, or can even use something like this, a face roller. You can just roll up your skin like this. It's a great shortcut. I got this as a gift from one of the promo items in the past. I find this pretty good. I haven't found this in Korami, so maybe it's time to make a request on their Instagram to stock one of these. So those are my 6 lessons I learned for mature skin from my well-aging skincare course. I hope you found it helpful. If you're based in Europe, including the UK, you've got to check out Korami. They ship directly from South Korea, offer free shipping on orders over 50 euros, stock in fresh, authentic and rare K-beauty products. Check out my discount code and their shopping link in the pinned comment below. And don't forget to leave a comment if you've got any questions for Korami or to me. If you didn't get any of the tips I shared today, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to find out more great tips for mature skin, check out my video next over here. Thanks again. I'll see you in my next K-beauty show. 안녕!